Hi, my name is Nyan Htet Aung and I am the final year student for University of Greenwich. Today, I would like to present about the Android project for mobile application design and development subject. In here, this is my hiking application for Android application. This is my UI for the main screen, and there is the title as I am hike, and there is a search box, search icon for advanced search, and there will be a dustbin button for delete all the hiking records. And additionally, I will add a new plus button to add new hiking information. In here, this is the new hiking information add-in screen as per fees for names, locations, days, and parking is available yes or no. In here, there is a length of the hiking location distance, and also for difficulty level as easy, moderate, and the last one as hard. And I add additionally for description field for optional field. And the last two fields are elevation gain, which is for how many meters that the users accomplish for the hiking. And also the last one is for group size. And let's add for new hiking information record. In here I set James, and location is for Chiang Mai. And another thing is for selecting date is for 20th November. And in here I would like to say parking is available for yes. And length is for 1000 kilometers, and level is for moderate, and description is for very enjoyable trip. And elevation gain is 70 meters, and cruise time is for 5. If I cancel, and they will be redirected to home screen. Here let's add James. Location is for Chiang Mai. Day is the today date, and parking is yes, and length is for 1000, and level is for moderate, and very enjoyable trip. Elevation game is for 80, let's say, as an example, and group size is for 5. And just review, click on the review button, and there will be a conference session for additional information fields. If you want to edit, you can click on back to edit, and if you want to edit for the desired fields, and then click on review again and check for the information. In here I would like to save, and there will be a observation session to add to your hiking information. Let's add for observation, and in here I will say good day with sunny weather, fine weather, let's say fine weather, and comment is for good day, and add. And you can add it, you can delete, and if you want to delete, and just click on the delete, and there will be no observation in here. And let's add for another observations, which is I already deleted in the previous record. So observation is for good mountains, comment as for good day, add. And I want to add more observations is good weather, and let's here skip for the comments and can add. If you want to back, you can click on back button, and you'll see James record with distant informations, and 2 observations record is showing. And let's add another person, Chris. Location is for let's say Maldives, and in here 20, and parking is no, and kilometer is 2000, and hard is for difficulty level. Let's skip for the description field, and elevation gain accomplished is 1000. Group size is for 2, and just review and save. And this time I would I would skip for the observation section, and there will be 2 records I already added, and let's add another record. John, and location is for New York, and here 20 as a day, today date, and parking is yes, and kilometer is 900, and level is easy. Description is for US trip. I say Albuquerque is for 10 and Gosa is for 5. Let's save, and in here there is a high rise, high mountains, things, and comment as a good day again here at, and you can back to check for the records. In here there is 3 records in the main screen, and you can filter those records by search pattern. Let's say J, and there will be showing 2 records start with J alphabet. And if I search for Chris, I just click on C, type C, and you will see Chris record is for showing in the main screen. And also an additional feature is you can delete each information record by clicking on the edit and update. Let's say edit for Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai and review and update, and no more informations is required for observations, so I can back to main screen. In here is James record is changed to Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai. Let's delete for each items, and you can delete by clicking on delete, and there will be a confirmation for deleting. Let's say delete, and James record is already deleted. If you don't want to delete individually, and you can delete all the records by clicking on the dustbin button, and you can select for delete all, and there will be no records in the main session. This is for the native Kotlin application for Android applications, and let's continue for present for hybrid applications. Let's say there is a hiking application here, and in here there is a main screen for hybrid application written in Flutter development, which is for basic programming languages for data programming. In here there is a different UI from native application. This is my hybrid application. You can see there are title as a hiking history and 4 patterns, and in here is a theme. You can change theme for the desired theme, and you can see the heart icon for favorite list. And another thing is for dustbin to delete all the records, and the last icon is for add button to add new hiking information, as I already mentioned previously. Name is James. Location. In here there is a location for additional feature for location button to select the current location of the user. Land is for 8,800. Yes, let's say 800. And description is for good day, and you can set for the date of the date or the past date, as this is the desired date. Okay, and the difficulty level is for easy or medium or hard, and let's say hard, and let's say parking is available. I set to free parking, yes, and I set to favorite. You'll see the difference for this record. And save. There will be a record in hiking history main screen, and as for red heart, and this represent for I add this record for favorite list. And let's add for another record. Let's say Chimai for Chris, and length is for 10,000. Description I can skip, and in here I set for medium and plugin available, free and favorite to save. And in here there will be 2 records in the main screen, and there are no observations for these records, and I will add 1 record for Chris, and there will be an observations button to add observations. And let's click on observation. Okay, and in here there are 2 types of observations as when saving the observation: test and image. And let's say test, and you will see the observation date is for today day, and you can choose a desired date. And observation test is for good mountains. Additional comments is for good day, let's say, and save. You will see there is a observation record as a showing display as a card. And let's add for another observation. This time I here want to save as an image, and click on camera and click on camera, take a photo and choose. Additional comment is for create again and save. There are 2 records. One is for test and one is for image as an observation. You will see there is a favorite list. By clicking on the add heart icon, there will be 2 records. Let's say another information without adding favorite. Leo, and location is for Bangkok, and length is for 800. Description is for northern Thailand, and today, and I would like to set the date as a today date, and is for hard and parking available and free parking to save. And in here there will be no red icon. What is the difference? Let's see. And if I click on the heart icon, there will be only favorite red icons with favorite list. In here there will be another thing is you can delete on this, or you can delete on, or you can edit for this feature. I will say edit, and I will say favorite and save. There will be 3 red icons displaying in the main screen, and this is for editing. And there will be a delete feature. If I click on the delete, and there will be a confirmation for delete this record. If I say delete, and the record is deleted as hide deleted. This is for the records deleting individually. And if you want to delete all the records, you can click on delete testing button to choose for reset. And this time there will be no applications of records are showing in the UI. This is for my presentation for hiking history, and I hope this will enjoy to you. Thank you so much.